Hello friends, today I am going to share with you the recipe of apple smoothie. This is one of the best breakfast recipe and is very helpful for those who are on diet and are following healthy lifestyle. Apple smoothie is helpful in weight loss, prevents heart related diseases, lowers the risk of diabetes and cancer, and is also great for brain and gut health. So before we start with the recipe, friends, first like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my any recipe. To start with the recipe, we have to take two big sized apples, slice them neatly, and we don't have to peel them off. Transfer this apple slices in a blender. Now we have to add 2 cups of fresh curd, a pinch of cinnamon powder, that is dalchini powder, 2 teaspoon melon seeds. You can add any other seeds also if you wish. Now we will add 8 to 10 almonds. Soak the almonds for a night or minimum 8 to 10 hours and remove the skin and then add in the smoothie. Now add 10 to 15 raisins, that is kishmish. Now goes in 2 teaspoon soaked chia seeds. This we have to soak for 3 to 4 hours minimum. Chia seeds forms jelly once they are soaked. It is very rich in nutrition value, so please don't skip it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of honey. You can add or less the quantity according to your taste. Now grind all the ingredients into a thin paste. So it's done. Now we will check it. If we find any lumps, we can again grind it. The thickness is perfect. Now it's ready to serve. This quantity is sufficient for 2 servings. So take 2 glasses and pour the liquid into them. Now garnish the smoothie with some chia seeds. To add the chia seeds without crushing is completely optional, but it gives a crunch to the smoothie, so it tastes very nice and tempting. Top with some melon seeds. And lastly with some finely chopped apple pieces. Our apple smoothie is ready to serve. We can consume it once a day. It's very filling. It is a kids friendly recipe and is loaded with the benefits of fiber, vitamins, proteins, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. It regulates the bowel movement, lower down cholesterol level and also maintains glucose level in the blood. It is a complete balanced meal for evening time too. It is also an immunity booster. So friends, do try this recipe today and share your views with me. Hope you will like this recipe, and to stay connected with me and to see more of my recipes, do like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my any recipes. Comment me below which recipe you want me to share with you. Meet you in the next recipe. Till then, take care and bye. And thanks for watching.